afternoon, everyone. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Catherine Ann Proctor, and I will be your tour guide for today. So, welcome to the University of Baguio, pride of the mountain city of the Cordilleras. So, before we start our tour, let me just give you some facts about the university. So, in August 8, 1948, the university was founded by Tatay Fernando Bautista and Nanay Rosa Bautista. And this university offers 21 undergraduate school programs, 12 graduate programs, and 10 short-term programs. So, my dear tourists, let's start our tour. So, we are here at one of the showroom of the IHTL department, which the students from HRM and PSP who enrolled in housekeeping and other related in this subject can have their hands-on activity in this area, one of the facility of the School of International Hospitality and Tourism Management. Our next destination is the UB Cardinals Gym, which can accommodate up to 5,000 packs for the big events like concerts, seminars, and other sport activities in the university. Then we are here at the Cafe Fernando, which we can have our functions like the acquaintance party of the different organizations of the SIHT department, and we can have a seminar which can accommodate 100 to 150 packs. Next, it is we are here at the UB Cardinals Gym, which is used for the celebration of our school, like Foundation Day, intramurals, and other activities at the university. And now our last stop is in the UB swimming pool, which is 5 feet. And it is used by the students who enroll in their physical education subjects and for the swimmers of the UB. So, my dear tourists, it is our last stop, and I hope you enjoy our tour and see you on your